Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the pre-market insight for December 13th, 2019. We have fireworks. Let's get into it. We have lots of fireworks this morning coming from the overnight announcement of the Brexit, so to speak, victory by Boris Johnson over in the UK. So we have a fire lit under all of the foreign markets. The pound is rallying, the UK markets are rallying double-digit percentage points, and some of that confidence is seeping over into the US markets. So let's take a look at what the context and the frame that we were discussing all of this week. You can see that we had an apex, a price apex coming into the Federal Reserve announcement on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. And I said to you guys, it is very important to look to see which way price breaks out of this, what we call a wedge or apex, for clues as to the next direction and catalyst for movement definitively in one direction or the other. As you can see, we broke to the upside of the apex. We reclaimed this very important 3142 level. We came back to test it, spent just a few minutes of time beneath it, probably just less than an hour. And since then, all we've done is rally. We tested this 3158 at the former all-time highs, and look at where we are now. We are now 30 points higher, a high of 3188, surpassing my end of year target for the S&P. I said earlier on this week that my target was 3175. So in approximately 3 days, we've gained that target, some nice, very healthy gains to the upside. And we are now looking for what? Given the Santa Claus, the bullish seasonal tendency, and the Santa Claus rally, I think at this point, this is an opportunity to take profits, begin buying portfolio insurance, because we are in a period of time where news headlines, now that they have no longer priced in, can easily sway the market to the downside. And so that's my advocation: price protection, portfolio insurance, prudence for the next week and a half. You do not want to be pressing too hard on long bets going into the end of the year, seeking to make up what you may have not done for the rest of the year already gone. Be conservative, be patient, go into 2020 in January with a clear mind, a clear context, ready for what the year is to bring ahead of us. Have a good Friday. Have a good weekend, guys. Cheers.